Hey there, beautiful Watch Her Thrive community. Welcome. Today, in our financial empowerment series for Domestic Violence Awareness Month, we're going to take a complex topic, investing, and break it down into some much simpler ideas. Today is all about investing basics. So, what is investing? At its core, investing is about planting your money, much like seeds, in various assets where the expectation is that it's going to grow over time. The goal is to help you reach your financial goals, whether that's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. There are many different types of investments. Just as gardens have many different types of plants, there are lots of different options. Stocks or equities represent ownership in a company. Bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or government in exchange for periodic interest payments. That's why they're often referred to as fixed income investments. Mutual funds is where you pool your money together with several other investors to collectively buy a portfolio. It could include stocks, bonds, or other investments as well. And real estate, which is one that most people feel most confident in understanding, is investing in property, but there are so many other kinds of investments. One of the most important things to understand when it comes to investing is risk and return. Just like every plant has its own characteristics, every investment also carries its own risk and potential return. Generally, the higher potential for return, the higher the level of risk. And it's important that you want to balance those things in order to be in alignment with your own financial goals and your own comfort level. Plants take time to grow. Some grow fast and some grow slower. Likewise, investments usually need time to show substantial growth as well. Think about when you'll need the money. If it's soon, you may want to go with safer, shorter term investments. And if you have more time, perhaps you can weather some ups and downs for greater potential returns. So, why are we discussing investing in our domestic violence awareness series? Because gaining control over your financial destiny is empowering. The more you know, the better decisions you can make for your future. Navigating the world of investments can feel overwhelming when you're just starting out. But remember, every expert started as a beginner too. Nobody's born knowing how to invest. Keep learning, keep growing, and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to empower others in their financial journey.